Welcome to the Crypto Nest. So I had technical issues with my capturing of the screens. It was recording on another screen. That's the joy of having 4 screens, I guess. Alright, so Bitcoin, we can see we're kind of moving on the side now. We had this first bull flag, but now it looks like we're doing another one, or we could just say that we're doing a rectangle here. Let me point it out here. So I would say maybe doing something like this. Who knows? Maybe we're just doing, yeah, some side consolidation here, and then we're going up and down, and eventually, who knows, maybe we're going to go lower, and then after that, going higher. So this could be another level where it could be interesting to get in. For sure, this is not financial advice, but what I would do if I was interested to get into this run, which I'm not, just to let you know, if price goes here, I would get in when it touched this level here. As you can see, here was kind of a nice support, and I would put my self-stop limit just below this wick here and let it ride up to this level here. Once again, here we do have, I would get out here at this level here, a little bit higher here. And why is that? Because we don't know if we're going to get rejected again. Sometime maybe it's going to miss some power and start to reverse before that. They can continue to do that maybe 3, 4, 5 times. We don't know. So this would be a potential short-term entry on Bitcoin. But personally, I wouldn't do it. So that's there you go. All right. So let me take out the box also. Okay, so this is pretty much all that I see for Bitcoin for the moment. Now, let's jump on Ethereum. Ethereum, honestly, it's about the same thing. The only thing we're having like a slightly down falling edge, sorry. Yeah, and then we did break out from this uptrend. We did it here also, and then after that, we really jumped. Let me see here, if I try to compare maybe on the 4-hour chart to compare the RSI, what was their story here? So we were kind of overbought and then we went lower. We did reach about 55 and this stock RSI was oversold. Now what's the story here? We are almost getting at the same level and we are oversold on the stock RSI. So yeah, maybe we do have a pretty nice chance for Ethereum to go and make a higher high of this year. Now, what are the next? Let me go on the daily now, otherwise it's going to be, I'm going to scroll forever. Let me take the full screen here. So what's the next target? Well, this is a previous peak here. We are having, let's say, what, 2,176. I think this one I can take it out maybe. I think this, let me see here. This was, yeah, I was calculating this wave 1 to the wave 2. Was it? Yeah, wave 1 to wave 2. If I do the extension, we do get to 2,788. So this is one level. But first I'm checking this level here. We did had kind of a lot of resistance support of this level here. So this is the first resistance we need to break. After that, we do have this 1.618 allegedly. And if I zoom out a little bit more, we do have the 0.5 fib. What is that? I just took the fib of the top of the wave 1 to the top of this wave 2 of this cycle now. So we do get a 2,884 and 92. That's the 0.5 fib. We do have a mini peak here resistance also at 2976. And we have this previous peak also, the more important one and harder, I believe, to break for a moment. It's going to be 3586. All right, so these are the levels that I'm looking for. And yeah, and after that, when we get here, and then we do have the 0.786 at 4,016, and once again the all-time high at 48.47. Is it? Just to be sure. 48.47, yes. All right, so this is pretty much all for Ethereum. Now, what I'm expecting for today, honestly, maybe next 5, 6, 7 hours, nothing. And after that, yeah, maybe we're going to see a breakout here and reach this gap here. Yeah, also, if I jump back on Bitcoin, we do have this gap here, right? And a lot of people know. Okay, so usually a gap, as you can see here, we had a gap, and after that we fill them. Now the problem is if if we are on a downtrend and we have a gap, no worry, we're going to catch up, right? But now we are on an uptrend, but I'm not worried about this gap because anyway we need to make a corrective movement eventually. So let me put a box here. So we do have a gap here from this level to this level. So we did went so high this impulsive movement that for sure we're going to go back and close it. I shouldn't say for sure, but pretty much convinced that we can. And in fact, even if we go to, let's say, 48,000, you can see that this it's not even the 0.5. So if I add the 0.382 maybe, bend down at that level. So so people are they're saying we're going back because we need to close that gap. Well, no problem. Anyway, we need to, because that's the anyway. If we go to 48, that's the 382 fib retracement. Now, if I'm more bullish and we go to 52,000, kind of try to do it more accurately I can. Yeah, you can see that almost at 0.5, very very feasible. There is no drama. Actually, this would be natural, and even better if we go to the 36,000 0.618. And well, 32,000 would be the best because we eventually we're going to need to make a corrective movement. So yeah, 32,000 would kind of make sense with the MA 200. All right, so this is pretty much all for Bitcoin. Hopefully this time the video is working. I'm checking, it should work now. All right, so please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.